Maybe you've seen this landscape before, but you might not know that it's part of a unique system in the world. The Paraguay-Paraná Wetlands System. In this system, water flows in abundance, and biodiversity is present in every detail and form of life. Anyone who has traveled along the borders of Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay, and Argentina has probably crossed this path. The system stretches for 3,400 kilometers from the Pantanal through the Esteros del Ibirá to the Paraná Delta in Argentina, forming a continuous wetland landscape covering 400,000 square kilometers, all connected with the La Plata Basin, home to thousands of species of fauna and flora. It stands among the last free-flowing river corridors on Earth, nurturing territories of life. More than 140 million people depend on this basin for their lives. This vast landscape, rich with sediments, nutrients, and seeds, also carries stories and diversity. These wetlands sustain traditional livelihoods and local economies, supporting fishing, cattle ranching, and ecotourism. They provide drinking water, contribute to the regulation of floods and drought, help capture carbon, and reduce the effects of climate change. But this balance is under threat. Wildfires, deforestation, urbanization, uncontrolled agricultural expansion, water pollution, and the lack of understanding of how wetlands naturally work are putting this ecosystem and the people who live here at risk. Every kilometer of this long corridor matters. If this connectivity is broken, the strength of its communities and activities that sustain them will also be lost. That's why major efforts are underway to protect the system. Since 2017, the Corredor Azul Programme has worked to connect people, nature, and economies through the Paraguay-Paraná Wetlands System. Representatives from governments, the private sector, researchers, producers, and the local communities, all working together, are showing that it's possible to conserve and sustainably use this natural heritage. More than 4,200 people are part of the program through multi-sector dialogue platforms, producers applying better practices, wetland experts, and members of different environmental organizations. 135 associations are building connections and sharing knowledge in pursuit of a common goal, a future with protected, connected, and a healthy wetlands. In addition, 987 managers and professionals have been trained in conservation and sustainable use of these landscapes. Amid this vastness, 132,060 hectares of productivity wetlands are applying better management practices with technical support from the program, and over 1.5 million hectares are under protection with support for their management and conservation. The Paraguay-Paraná Wetlands System is much more than water. It connects rivers, biodiversity, stories, and lives. Because life itself flows where water runs free.